유현진!
This is a long time, guys.
이쪽입니다. 엑스비티. 그리고 원샷! Long time no see. Make some noise. Thank you. 안녕. 환영입니다. 마이크다. Nice to see you again. Enjoy. Very good time. 저는 안녕하세요 알잖아요.
So, do you know 안녕하세요, di ba, in Tagalog?
kumusta?
We are so mabuti. Thank you so much for that intro and your opening words for the Engines. It's been a while since you guys, came back to the Philippines from your tour. How do you feel being back here? Jake, maybe you can get us started. How do you feel?
Me? Jay or
Jake.
Jay. Well, the last time we came here, we remember having you guys having so much energy. The vibe was great, so we were very happy to be back, and we're very much looking forward to, being with you guys here.
What about you, Hizu? How are you feeling?
일단은 너무 즐겁고요. 저희가 이제야 이제 저희 선배들까지
Sobrang masaya ako na ako naman sila sa video. Sobrang masaya ako.
Okay, the feeling is mutual. Obviously the Engines are super excited to get this sweet experience with you guys started, courtesy of Bench, of course. And I think the boys of Hypen are just as excited. Chongwon, am I right? Are you guys as excited as the Engines today?
당연하죠. 이제 저희가 또 1년 만에 왔어요.
Yes, siyempre naman, bumalik kami dito sa Pilipinas after a year, di ba?
매니페스토 저 오셨던 분 계신가요?
Sino po dito umattend ng Manifesto?
좋습니다. 오늘 콘서트 때 그때 분위기 그대로 재미있게 놀고 가봅시다.
Siyempre, yung saya natin nung Manifesto, dapat ganoon din yung energy natin ngayon, tapos mag-enjoy tayo, okay?
I like it. Okay, let's start creating those sweet memories together. We prepared some really exciting segments that we can enjoy.